Hello, dear friends. Meet Peace. She's 3 years old. I met her about 2 weeks back. That's like you seeing her. She has cancer. She passed through a lot of her time and a lot of pain. Here I was talking to her, asking her names, and she told me that she's called Peace. So it was so good to meet her. Here I was holding her, trying to reach out to more people to see if they can help her so she can get her treatment done or surgery. She needs help so the hospital can work on her so we can fight cancer. Yeah, she's a lovely girl. She's a good girl and we need to help. Told me that she loved the donut, so I bought for her a donut, and my friend gave him a coin. That's 500 Ugandan shillings. She'll buy something from it. As you see, she really enjoyed that donut. So that was our first day meeting her. Please let us help her so we can fight cancer together.